Hey, this is Frank. We are looking at a 2011 Hyundai Tucson, known in some markets as the ix35. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a quick and easy body repair that will make a huge difference to the appearance of your car. Like most cars of our era, this car has door trim pieces that run along the top side of the door. The pieces that are there on this car now are brand new pieces, and for comparison I'm showing you what the old pieces looked like. This is for the front passenger door, this is for the rear passenger door. So there's a huge difference in the appearance of these pieces and in the overall impression that they contribute to the car. These are the four old pieces that were on the car previously, and on one side somebody had scraped off the plastic that was beginning to peel off, and I don't know if this made it any better or worse. These pieces are available at a very affordable price through any online Hyundai dealer, and I will include links to the part numbers for these pieces in the video description, so check it. Here's a view from a different angle. I'm not going to do a detailed video on removing and installing these pieces. It is dead simple. You'd have to be brain dead to not figure it out. That's it for this video. I hope you found something useful in here, and catch you the next time.